So here you have the carrier running right now in the morning. Right here. It's 2024 and it's a 310. It's an LG Scroll. I am planning to ask neighbor if I can do a startup shutdown, but right now I can't. Because I have to leave at 10. Mine's all cold and sweaty. Right there. There is nice morning run right there. Front right there. Not gonna get too close. I know it's like no one's up right now. I'm like the only one up, but I don't need to be doing this stuff right now. So, anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.